Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we were told that the mean score of 8 players in a basketball game was 14.5 points. If you remove the highest score, the mean score of the remaining 7 is 12. So we're asked to find, based on this, what is that highest score that was removed? And to do that, we have to think about how is the mean calculated? So when we're talking about points and players, the mean is going to be the total points over the number of players. Okay? So if you have 50 points scored in a game and you have 5 players, then the mean is going to be 50 divided by 5, right? Which is 10. We're averaging 10 if you have 50 and 5. So if we want to solve for the total number of points, then we can multiply both sides by the number of players. Extend this bracket over here so we can see that it's being multiplied by both. And on this side, we'll have the mean times the number of players is equal to, and then these cancel on this side, the total number of points. So if we want to find the total number of points that a group of players scored in a game, we multiply the mean by the number of players. So when we talk about all 8, the total is going to be equal to the mean, which is 14.5, times the number of players, which is 8, and this is 116 points. Right? Just plug that into your calculator, you'll get 116. And the 7 players, their total, similar thing, their mean is 12, times 7 is their number, is going to give you 84 points. So if we know that all 8 scored 116 and the other 7 scored 84, then the difference between these is going to be that 8th player. So the 8th player is 116 minus 84, which is 32 points, right? These 7 scored 84 plus the last guy scoring 32 gives you a total of 116. So what was the highest score in this game? It was 32 points, which is going to give you answer C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.